Hello and welcome to this Rhapsody Tip of the Day video. My name is Frank, I'm a passionate Rhapsody user, trainer and consultant and love to share knowledge to help you to become more effective. Today I'm going to show you how to use SysML call operations in an activity diagram in the context of an executable Rhapsody SysML model. For this purpose I have prepared a simple model in Rhapsody Designer. An overall digital office system block that consists of a printer with an operation print. That prints a hello from printer. The advantage of using Rhapsody Designer instead of Rhapsody Architect, I can execute and follow the behavior of the model. Back to the example. So the idea behind this model is to specify the behavior of the digital office system block so that it calls the print operation of its printer. Here you can see a different perspective. For example, in the IBD internal block diagram, showing that the office printer system has a part, its printer, of type printer. This is pretty much the same representation that we also see in the browser. Digital office system has a part, its printer, with the exception that the type is not shown. Or the sequence diagram, in which I specified the intended behavior that the digital office system calls the print operation of its printer. So let's implement the intended behavior. First, I will add a simple activity diagram to the digital office system block. It's also a good practice to name the diagram. So let's call the activity calling print. To create a call operation action, I simply drag and drop the operation from the printer into the activity diagram of the digital office system. Note that the containing block and the name of the operation is displayed in. When we open the features dialog of the call behavior, we see that the target instance, is still unspecified. The target is the instance of the printer to be called. In our example, this is trivial because we have only one printer instance, its printer. But we could have several printer instances. In this case, we could specify or differentiate on which printer instance the operation shall be called. Also note that Rhapsody uses a special symbol to show a call operation. Clicking on the icon will locate the operation of the owning block. Further, the activity diagram needs a starting point and an endpoint. That I'm going to add as well. And we are done. To execute the model, I right-click in the activity diagram and select Simulate. This will compile and run the application model. If you have not set up a compiler, check my webpage rhapsody.guru to get further instruction. Okay, we are done. The application runs, the animation toolbar and the application console window appears. In the browser, I switch to the animation view to hide all non-essential elements. Note that we do not have any runtime instances of our blocks yet. I click Go Action once and we see that the instances are created. In the sequence diagram, but also in the browser. We also see that the behavior was started and that we are in animation break. I click Go Action again and we see the created token in the activity diagram, so the default transition was executed. Another Go Action will call the operation and print hello. And another Go Action will terminate the activity. I hope this helps. In one of my next videos I will show you how to use several printers, so don't forget to subscribe today and please give this video a like if you liked it. That's it. Hope to see you soon. Thank you and goodbye.